Hello everyone. I'm going to explain how can we use assignment option for sending objective type paper. First of all, you have to open office.com and create a form using quiz option. Remember, you have to use quiz option and you can set marks for each question and also the correct options for the answers you can choose. After that, you have to click on settings from these three dots which are in the cornermost of the screen. Click on settings option. Then you need to keep show results automatically button off. I repeat, you need to keep show results automatically button off. Then you have to click on only people in my organization can respond. You have to click record name. You have to click one response per person, and then you have to click accept responses, and start date and end date is optional when you are using assignment. And then shuffle questions, if you want you can use this option as well, or if you want to customize the thank you message, that is entirely up to you. After that, you have to open Microsoft Teams. Then you have to choose a particular team for which you have to assign objective type paper. Click on the assignment option. Once you click on assignment option, you will get the screen for assignment. Click on create option. Once you click on create, you will get two options, assignment and quiz. If you have to give subjective type paper, you will use assignment, and if you have to use objective type paper, choose quiz. Click on quiz. After that, you will get one option bar in which it will ask for new quiz or from the list of quizzes which you have already made in office.com. You can choose a particular quiz or an objective type paper. Click on next option. Once you click on next option, it will get your form will uploaded in this section after instructions. Then you can use title bar for writing the title of the paper if required. Instructions you can give. You can enter the points, and then you can click on assign option. From this option you can choose multiple classes. Supposingly if you have three sections, so you can click on this option assign to test, this option where the two squares are there. You can click on this, and once you click on this, you will get the list of all the teams which you have. You can choose more than one team, and then after that you have to choose the date for which you have to send the assignment, and then you have to choose the due time, sorry. Due time is the time which a student need to complete the task by that time. The end time is the due time. After selecting the due time, you have to click on edit below the timeline. Once you click on edit below the timeline, you will get option of schedule to assign in the future. You will just choose the date, post date, in for which date you are going to assign the objective type paper, and then you have to just choose the post time. So the time when you are sending it to students, the start time is the post time, and due time and date are the ending date and time. On this time, at this time the paper will end. After that, close date and close time options are there. Close date and close time options, we can just use 5 minutes extension, or if it is objective type we can keep it same, close time and due time same. So after that you have to click on done option. Once you click on done option, you have to click on assign option, or if you are scheduling your paper one day before, you can save it in the draft. Once you click on save option, your assignment will go in the draft section. Next day before the paper, 10 minutes before the paper, you can just go to draft section and click on assign option to assign the paper. I hope this video is helpful, and in case of any query, you can contact me. Thank you.